guys, paakyat tayo. See? Wow! So high. Hindi na siya mag... Oo, paakyat tayo, guys. Ang ulan kasi. But thank you, Lord, for this day. Kahit umuulan, bless pa rin. Mama. Already. Yeah, because the employer allowed to going out to celebrate the birthday.
Hindi ka na mag-day off. This is your day off na.
Sa Sunday, day off pa rin ako.
Wow. Ako bukas ulit.
Yes, thanks
Regular
God.
holiday.
Oh, thanks God. Sa buhay ng ating mga amo.
Ang layo pala ng... Ibig sabihin, mag-cable car tayo pabalik.
Hindi, ano, di ba, doon, pagbalik pa ano natin, doon na rin tayo bababa sa Ocean Park sa loob. Ayun, doon kami nang galing. Did you see, guys? Oh, no. It looks too... this one. Look. Pakyat, pataas. Pakyat, pataas.
Tapos biglang nag-stop to, no? Oops, sorry.
Oh, in Jesus' name. Hindi yan mag-stuck. Look, guys. But it's so fun. Paakyat na ulit tayo. Bababa na ulit tayo. Kasi umakyat na tayo. But look how beautiful it is. The God create this beautiful view. Oh gosh.
How amazing.
Yeah, how amazing it is. God create this.
I have chocolate here. Let's have... Gift ko rin to eh. Hindi ko may matandang nagbigay kasi sa akin.
Oh.
Alam mo ba?
Look at there, guys.
Hindi
It's
ko napansin
going down.
kanina kasi
It's going down.
tayo. Video, photo. Tapos,
Ngayon, pababa na.
oh my God.
Yun na. Bababa tayo again.
Ay,
Going down again.
kasi nag-train tayo paakyat. So,
Bababa tayo. Kasi di ba yun yung train?
oo. Parang hindi ko naramdaman yung train.
Kaya nga eh, parang ano lang, 5 seconds lang ba yun?
Hindi naman ganun kabilis.
Kaya nga eh, ang hina-hina din, but that's okay, that's fun. You look. Fun. So fun, it's so fun. Nice. Nice view. Yan, hindi na masyadong basa. Look at them. It's so down. Ang baba na, guys. Doon tayo Ocean Park pa din. Umikot lang tayo, girl eh. That is all the Ocean Park. Look. This all of the Ocean Park. We will go down slowly and slowly. Ang taas, diba? Slowly and slowly and slowly.
Scared!
Don't be scared. It's okay. That is okay. That is okay. Look. That is okay. Ocean Park. Ocean Park. Ocean Park. Yeah. And over there, see? Galing sila sa... Wow. What is good ride. Oh, thank you. I have a chocolate. From IKEA pa talaga, girl, ah. Pero madidikit to sa akin, eh. Yeah. Thank you. Malapit na tayo. Oh, di ba? See? How good. dito rin tayo sumakay. Here we go! Thank you. 5 minutes pala, Burl, mula doon hanggang dito. Yes. Here at the stop. Open the door.